Hello, and welcome to a short introduction to Sensirion's Nubo system for cost-efficient continuous methane emission monitoring. Founded in 1998 and headquartered in Switzerland, Sensirion is a globally leading manufacturer of digital microsensors and systems for high-performance air quality and environmental monitoring solutions. With more than 1 billion sensors sold, Sensirion provides cutting-edge solutions to the medical, industrial, and automotive sectors, as well as next-generation gas analyzers to the oil and gas industry. With Nubo, we expand our product portfolio by a complete end-to-end solution that will change the state-of-the-art in methane leak detection along the natural gas supply chain. It has never been easier to locate and quantify fugitive methane emissions remotely and continuously. This compact plug-and-play natural gas leak monitoring solution enables customers to effectively and efficiently identify unintentional leaks while collecting reliable emissions data 24/7, ready to use within minutes and at low total costs of ownership. The Nubo system is designed as a high-performance end-to-end solution that reliably detects, localizes, and quantifies methane emissions. Its highly sensitive methane sensor technology is based on a proprietary optical measurement principle that achieves a resolution of about 100 ppb, is stable over time even under extreme environmental conditions, is highly specific to methane, and features a response time of just a few seconds to catch even shortest concentration peaks. Overall, this allows us to detect even smallest leaks below 1 kg per hour reliably and fast. In case the system is required to be deployed in hazardous zones, the device can be packaged explosion-proof to meet requirements for intrinsically safe equipment. In addition to methane concentrations, the system gathers meteorological data like temperature, relative humidity, barometric pressure, as well as wind speed and direction, whereby all data is continuously generated and monitored 24/7, thanks to data caching and worldwide LTE communication. Via API, data can be easily and quickly transferred and integrated into your own operating system. With Nubo, you don't have to worry about sensor degradation or undetected sensor failures. Based on Sensirion's extensive drive for innovation, its know-how and experience in environmental sensing, the Nubo Cloud constantly monitors the health of the connected sensors as well as the overall system and alerts you in case of any issue. It helps you to ensure continuous data quality control and reliable alerting. Building on Sensirion's year-long expertise in electronics and sensor manufacturing, Nubo is a cost-efficient monitoring solution that can be scaled into high volumes to enable usage on a large scale. It operates autonomously off the grid using solar power and a battery buffer. At the size of a shoebox, plus solar panel and wind anemometer, the Nubo platform convinces with a flexible and modular system design. It is designed future-proof through the use of 2 exchangeable, factory-calibrated sensor cartridges that enable easy maintenance and sustainable upgrades to the latest sensing technology. In case of customer-specific sensing needs or changing regulatory requirements, sensing parameters can be exchanged or added in a very flexible manner and on an as-needed basis without the need to exchange the whole system. To minimize time spent for on-site deployment, users can, for example, take advantage of available infrastructure by means of various mounting options, whether round or square. First field tests of early prototypes already yielded an impressive performance. The cloud-based data analytics were able to determine the leak's location in X, Y, and Z, as well as its size very accurately. Ongoing and future tests at the METEC test site, as well as international test campaigns throughout 2021, will allow us to fine-tune the system's performance to meet Sensirion's performance and quality standards. So, if we sparked your interest in a cost-efficient yet high-performing solution for methane leak detection, we look forward to being in touch with you. From pilot projects to field tests, up to technology evaluations or longer-term collaborations, I'm happy to discuss your needs. Thanks for listening and hope to talk to you soon.